No matter how experienced you are, every ride carries risks. Flat tires, theft, low visibility, or even simple navigation mistakes can turn a ride into a headache. Thankfully, times have changed. The latest gadgets on Amazon are helping and solving big problems for a rider, so we've picked out the best motorcycle gadgets that you must have on the ride. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 20. Motorcycle Tail Bag. This storage bag is made for everyday riding. The tough mesh material and solid support help it keep its shape and last longer. A non-slip bottom keeps it steady on the bike while you ride. It holds 40 liters and can expand to 60 liters when you need more space. You can carry daily items or gear for a weekend trip. Number 19. Stop and Go Tire Repair Kit. With 15 mushroom plugs and tools like a reamer and plugger, this kit is meant for real roadside situations. If you pick up a nail or screw while driving, you can seal the puncture in minutes without towing or waiting for help. It works on car, motorcycle, and ATV tires. The mushroom plugs create a firm seal that holds under normal driving. Compact enough to keep in your trunk, it's ready when a flat happens. Number 18. Double Socket Swivel Arm. This composite double socket swivel arm is a durable aluminum mount compatible with mounts B-size 1-inch ball components. Measuring 3.7 inches, it offers full adjustability for excellent device positioning. Easy to install, it works with existing RAM setups or as a standalone solution. Number 17. Intelligent Cranium ICR. This helmet feels like a glimpse of what riding is turning into. Dual rear-facing cameras give you a wide 240-degree view, while a full-color display inside the visor keeps key information right in front of your eyes. LiDAR-based alerts watch what's happening behind you and warn you if a vehicle gets too close. It also includes rider-to-rider Bluetooth communication, crash detection alerts, and a solar-topped shell that helps keep everything powered. Number 16. Vsysto Dash Cam. It is designed for seamless motorbike installation with a hidden main unit and discrete front and rear cameras. It records dual 1080p video with night vision, starting and stopping automatically with your ignition. Built-in Wi-Fi and a wired remote make previewing, playback, and file management easy. Fully waterproof and weather-resistant, it works reliably in extreme temperatures and humidity, ensuring clear, secure footage on any ride. Number 15. Anti-theft phone mount. This robust motorcycle phone mount is made from aluminum alloy with a vibration dampener and secure safety knob for stable, reliable use. One-handed operation and 720-degree rotation make it easy to adjust your phone. Shock-proof silicone protects your device, and adjustable sizing fits phones 5.1 to 7.3 inches long. Compatible with motorcycles, bikes, ATVs, scooters, and strollers. Its anti-shake structure and high-speed lock keep your phone firmly in place, even on rough terrain. Number 14. Raptor X D1. This motorcycle lock focuses on serious security while staying connected to your phone. Its dual-core anti-grinder system uses tough composite materials made to withstand angle grinder attacks. It connects to a companion app through encrypted Bluetooth, letting riders lock or unlock it straight from their smartphone, effectively turning the phone into a digital key. If someone tries to tamper with it, a loud siren sounds right away and a real-time alert is sent to your phone, so you stay informed no matter where you are. Number 13. Fobo Tire Pressure Monitoring System. If you ride a motorcycle, this Bluetooth tire pressure system adds real peace of mind. It connects directly to Android and iOS phones, so there's no extra receiver to mount or manage. While you ride, it tracks tire pressure in real time and syncs data automatically. You can check tire health before a trip, spot slow leaks early, and even share the data if needed. Number 12. Dango Design Helmet. If you need a dependable lighting option, this ultra-low profile aluminum LED light covers real use cases well. It delivers up to 2,100 lumens using Cree LEDs, giving clear visibility for night rides, camping, or filming. The rechargeable battery runs long and also works as a power bank for charging small devices. Adjustable brightness lets you control light output based on conditions, and universal mounts make it easy to attach. Number 11. Taisione Handlebar Mount. The Taisione motorcycle riding photography kit ensures stable, high-quality footage for cycling and motorcycling. It features a 59-inch metal selfie stick with anti-slip, anti-rust design, and a versatile super clip with 360-degree adjustable ball head. Compatible with Insta360 and GoPro mounts, the kit includes double socket arms, heavy-duty clamps, a ball head, adapter, and screw. Number 10. Portable tire inflator. This portable tire inflator is excellent for cars, trucks, bikes, motorcycles, sports balls, and air mattresses. Its powerful 1.77 CFM output inflates a standard tire in under a minute. Cordless and long-lasting, it can inflate up to 20 tires per charge and includes a USB port and 3.5 meter car cable for continuous use. Durable and safe, it has automatic shutoff dual cylinder power and an LED light with SOS and warning signals for emergencies. Number 9. Pro Bike Speaker. This wireless speaker features a stable handlebar mount and waterproof silicone, perfect for motorcycles, bikes, and scooters. Bluetooth connects quickly, shows battery status, and auto reconnects to the last device, shutting off after 10 minutes to save power. Enjoy hands-free calls and voice navigation on the go. Full-range, high-fidelity drivers deliver clear highs, deep bass, and rich mid-range, making it best for music, audiobooks, and navigation guidance while riding safely. Number 8. Motorcycle Helmet HUD. MotoEye upgrades your helmet into a smart device with a HUD, GPS, rear view camera, voice commands, and mesh intercom, keeping your focus on the road. Its AR display shows calls, music, and speed with auto brightness, while HUD navigation integrates with Google Maps and Apple Music. Bluetooth connects 2 phones and supports third-party helmet intercoms. Mesh, public network, and walkie-talkie modes let you communicate seamlessly with teammates or in areas without coverage. Number 7. GPS Motorcycle CarPlay. Enhance your motorcycle with this 7-inch IPS CarPlay screen, perfect for touring riders, offering clear visuals and full dash visibility. Waterproof and rain resistant, it's touch responsive in all weather. With 1440 by 720 resolution, 170-degree viewing angle, built-in Wi-Fi, and 128GB SD card with loop recording, you can capture and manage videos easily. The quick-release magnetic mount adds anti-theft security, making it a reliable and convenient accessory for daily rides. Number 6. Wi-Fi Diagnostic Tool. Easily diagnose and maintain your vehicle with this tool that reads and clears fault codes, resets service reminders, and displays control unit info. Monitor live sensor values with logs and graphs, run component tests, perform calibrations, adaptations, relearns basic coding, and bleed tests. Now available for iPhone and iPad, it brings advanced vehicle diagnostics and maintenance functions to your mobile device, making car care simpler and more accessible. Number 5. AlienRider M7 Motorcycle BSD. The M7 blind spot detection system boosts rider safety with 77G radar, monitoring blind spots up to 55 meters. Features include lane change alerts and rear collision warnings, giving real-time yellow and red light alerts. Built for all weather conditions, it withstands rain, fog, and smog. Its ultra-compact design supports hidden installation, reducing lane change accident risks and offering riders reliable, discreet protection on the road. Number 4. Bike Alarm Wireless. The WSD Cam alarm works with bikes, electric bikes, motorcycles, and scooters. It offers a vibration alert with 7 sensitivity levels, 3 volume settings, and IP55 waterproof protection. Controlled wirelessly with a 66-foot range, it includes a vehicle search function with 3 alert tones for easy location. High-quality sensors and battery-saving technology make this alarm reliable and efficient, exceeding standard industry performance for enhanced security and convenience. Number 3. Motorcycle Kickstand Pad. Keep your motorcycle safe with this durable kickstand pad, preventing tip-overs and sinking on soft surfaces like grass or hot asphalt. It protects garage floors from scuffs and marks, thanks to a special patterned backing for extra grip. Less in weight, strong, and easy to carry, it measures 3 by 5 inches. Both practical and thoughtful. Number 2. Motorcycle Vibration Dampener. Ride with confidence using a motorcycle phone mount designed for stability and protection. It securely holds your smartphone on any motorcycle while shielding the camera from engine vibration and road shock. The dual chassis suspension system uses precision-engineered silicone grommets to reduce vibration by up to 90%. Ideal for navigation and recording, it delivers a smooth, secure, and reliable riding experience. Number 1. ECOTRIC Motorcycle Wheel Chock. This motorcycle wheel chock is built for garage and trailer use. It holds the front tire steady and supports bikes weighing up to 3,000 pounds in weight, making it suitable for cruisers, sport bikes, and dirt bikes. The adjustable cradle fits tire sizes from 14 to 22 inches wide. Made from welded steel with a rust-resistant finish, it's strong and long-lasting. It folds down for easy storage, locks the wheel in place, and comes with mounting hardware. That's it for today. If you want to check out any of these products, the links are in the description. Make sure to pick what works best for you, and thanks for watching.